Proclamation Goods creates cookware for the eco-conscious home chef. Their pans are non-toxic, have a lifetime warranty, and are made in Wisconsin. Their award-winning stainless steel Proclamation Duo cookware set is a 12-inch skillet and a stock pot that doubles as a wok. Best of all, the skillet and stock pot hinge together to form a Dutch oven. It's 2 pans with the versatility of 10, empowering you to cook more with less. If you care about your health and strive for a more sustainable lifestyle, then Proclamation Goods is for you. Supply is limited, so order yours now at proclamationgoods.com.
Well, another thing in which we can do as the world turns and we want to build up a supply of goods or meats, or you want seasonings, Walton's Incorporated has all of this for you. Whether you're making your own meat sticks or you want seasoning and cooking utensils that will last a very long time. Walton's Incorporated.
Yeah, Walton's Inc., we know that you care about where your food comes from. They have everything that you need. Everything but the meat. See, they have all the equipment, seasoning, supplies to make sausage, jerky, any other meat product your way to your high standards. Do you want some snack sticks that taste delicious and
Yes.
people actually like? And hopefully you don't have to gnaw through like a
badger.
Like a badger. Walton's created meatgistics.com, an informational site to help you make the best finished product. They even have their full line of meat grinders, mixers, sausage stuffers to help you go from animal to edible. I noticed that at the store, a lot of those meat products, whether they be the snack sticks or the sport sticks, whatever they call them, or beef jerky, it's getting expensive.
And
So
it's full of junk that's not good for us, even though it tastes good.
Right. So if you can find, a good deal on some beef and you maybe invest, if you eat a lot of those things, invest in some of these products, you could save yourself some money in the long run. So you can go to waltonsinc.com or meatgistics.com, and the code that you want to use is GROW50,
right,
to save 10% off.
Save more money here.
Right, to save 10% off orders of $50 or more and get free shipping. And it's Walton's Everything But the Meat.
Yeah, GROW50, GROW50, to save 10% off your orders of $50 or more and get free shipping.
Show your body and monarch butterflies some love with Milkweed Balm, made with milkweed seed oil to promote relaxation and muscle recovery. Full of antioxidants and packed with powerful omega fatty acids to fight pain and inflammation. Milkweed Balm is product-based conservation of wild monarch butterfly habitat. Visit milkweedbalm.com to find out more. A non-selective herbicide that is also USDA certified? You bet. No More Weeds by Naturally Green Products. The same great company that brings you no more bugs, no more weeds. Kills weeds with no harsh chemicals, no glyphosate. No More Weeds is a commercial-grade vinegar base with a proprietary sticking agent. Great around pools, decks, patios, etc. Visit natgreenproducts.com. Enter promo code WEEDS, WEEDS, and buy 3 1-gallon size units. Get the 4th one free. Introducing the Johnny Appleseed Authentic Algeo Apple Tree, grafted from the last known surviving tree planted by the real Johnny Appleseed. The Johnny Appleseed Authentic Algeo Apple Tree was shepherded through nearly 200 years of American history by a family of rural Ohio farmers. Now you can grow this one-of-a-kind heirloom tree right in your own backyard. Order your tree today at shopjohnnyAppleseed.com. That's shopjohnnyAppleseed.com.
Spring is around the corner, folks, and Algaeman reminds you that this year, when it's time for spring cleaning, don't forget about the outside of your house. Algaeman is southeastern Wisconsin's go-to for exterior cleaning, including roofs, siding, decks, and concrete. So if you spot ugly black stains or green splotchy stuff on your home, let Algaeman get rid of it for you. We can restore the area back to its original look, not only in a timely manner, but also at an affordable cost. For a free estimate, visit us today at algaeman.com. Algaeman, we clean areas that you don't want to.
Rootmaker starts your plants off right and keeps them going through harvest. From their seed starting trays with an innovative design that air prunes the roots to their large variety of grow bags, 1 to 60 gallons. Their products will provide you with the harvest that you've never seen before. Visit rootmaker.com and use coupon code RADIO22 to save 15% off your order. That's rootmaker.com. The Water Hoop is a portable water sprinkler system that allows you to target water evenly around the root ball of your tree or bush. Conforms to various shapes for your watering needs. The Water Hoop reduces runoff and saves money. Visit waterhoop.com. Chapin has the tools you need to water, feed, and protect your garden. We make equipment for lawn and garden care, and we are always innovating to help make your next growing season a success. Our newest products are the 5010 Rose Duster, Water watering tools, including hose nozzles, sprinklers, and timers. The Mixes on Exit Backpack Sprayer that mixes concentrate as you spray. You can find all products at www.chapinmfg.com, major online retailers, home improvement stores, and hardware stores near you. Carpenter bees cause costly structural damage to wood siding, decks, doors, eaves, and railings. Our solution is Trapstick from Rescue. It catches carpenter bees all season long. Trapstick uses no pesticides. Carpenter bees are enticed by colors and pattern and get stuck on the adhesive. Save your wood structures from damage from carpenter bees with Trapstick from Rescue. Made in the USA by the makers of the popular Rescue fly and yellow jacket traps. Learn more at carpenterbeecontrol.com. That's carpenterbeecontrol.com. Tree diaper. Have you heard of it? Do you have one or many? Tree diaper is a way of hydrating your plants, your vegetables, your trees, your shrubs, anything indoors and out, and it hydrates it properly over the course of 30 days, and there's no hoses or pipes needed.
Tree Diaper is a revolutionary watering system that slowly releases water around the base of any plant or tree as the soil dries. The Tree Diaper is filled with water from rain or when you water and slowly releases water for over 3 weeks. No more watering, overwatering, underwatering with the Tree Diaper. Every time it rains, Tree Diaper recharges. No pipes, hoses, or electricity needed. Water your plants and trees whether they are by the house, down the road, or in the back 40. Also works under mulch. Whether you're a first-time gardener or advanced, Tree Diaper will improve the way you water your plants. Made in the USA. You can find all of the great information at treediaper.com. That's treediaper.com.
It's going to warm up. If it's not already warmed up where you're at, it's going to warm up, and that means the sign of beetles and grubs are going to, because they're going to want to share your yard with you, whether you like it or not, unless you get some grub gone here.
Well, I hear that spring is around the corner. It doesn't quite feel like it
They
yet.
keep saying that.
It's time to start thinking about controlling those beetles and grubs in your yard. You know, there's Japanese beetles, articles, sometimes it's on the news. Maybe not quite yet. You hear it from your neighbor. Oh, you remember those Japanese beetles last year?
They won't be here. They're here.
Coworkers, what have you. Yes, it's definitely something that is coming.
Grub Gone can be applied to your turf, garden, or around ornamentals to control those grubs and lessen the impact that the beetles have on your yard this summer. Easy to apply. Use a commercial spreader or irrigate right into your soil. Biologically, specifically targeted to attack the bugs, the beetles, and the grubs, not harming beneficial insects. They have made this to where it will attack the grubs and the beetles, but it won't affect those beneficial insects, butterflies, ladybugs, and bees that you're bringing into your garden.
Absolutely. And to be honest, it's the only non-chemical that works. You can find it more at phyllombioproducts.com. That's PHYLLOM bioproducts.com. And you can use your code GARDENTALK10 to save 10% off your orders at phyllombioproducts.com. Protect your plants from damage with the 3-in-1 Plant Guard and Special Blend Fertilizer. Visit ivorganics.com. Use promo code RADIO10 to save 10% off your order. Dig planting holes from a comfortable standing position. Step, twist, pull, and plant. Visit ProPlugger.com.
Take the guesswork out of composting with Hot Bin Composting. Quickly break down food scraps within 30 to 90 days. Find out more at hotbincomposting.com. Straw bale gardening is all the rage. Get your bale started easily with the Bale Buster Straw Bale Conditioning Formula. This is the only product that has been specifically formulated for use in straw bale gardening. Each unit contains 250 million colony-forming units of trichoderma, fungi, and bacillus bacteria. In addition to the fertilizer itself, produces fantastic results with a bountiful production of vegetable crops. Start with the best to get the best, traditional or organic formula. Take the guesswork out of conditioning your straw bale. Go to balebuster.com to find out more. This week's garden tip is sponsored by the amazing Dr. Zymes. Eliminate and prevent garden pests with their 100% all-natural, all-in-one insecticide and fungicide. Experience powerful natural protection from insects, fungus, mold, and mildew. Try a free sample. Visit drzymes.com/garden talk. The amazing Dr. Zymes is non-toxic, which means you do not need special clothing when using or handling it. No need for long sleeves, a respirator, special gloves, or even a whole hazmat suit. You can safely apply without concern for what may happen to your skin or your plants. And it's highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Eliminates mites, thrifts, aphids, and fungal gnats. Dr. Zymes is OMRI listed, safe up to the day of harvest, and doesn't leave a residue. Safe for you and your plants. That helpful garden tip was sponsored by the amazing Dr. Zymes. Eliminate and prevent garden pests with their 100% all-natural, all-in-one insecticide and fungicide. Experience powerful natural protection from insects, fungus, mold, and mildew. Try a free sample. Visit drzymes.com/garden talk. Have you ever tried to carry all your tools and supplies on your tractor? You fumble around looking for the right one, unsafely holding them while you drive. Big Tool Rack developed a range of carry-all systems that attaches to your compact tractor in seconds, creating a mobile workstation that allows you to safely carry your tools and supplies. Big Tool Rack's telescoping wheel system and 3-point hitch connections allows you to quickly attach and detach the carry-all system for easy storage. Working around the house, the homestead, or the farm, Big Tool Rack has your back and all your tools. Use code MYRACK5 for 5% off purchases at BigToolRack.com. Find out why we're built to haul it all.
Jung Seed Company is a family-owned and operated gardening company since 1907 with the largest selection of seeds and plants online. Use code 10TG22 to receive 10% off your order at jungseed.com. That code again is 10TG22.
With the right tools, plant maintenance is easy and more effective. Ironwood Tool Company has the right tools for your project. From pruners to loppers to saws and shears and cleanup tools, get the right tool for this season, making your job much easier. Find them all at ironwoodtools.com.
Make watering easy. DripWorks provides quality drip irrigation supplies and equipment to gardeners just like you for all your growing needs across the U.S. and Canada. Purchase online at dripworks.com.
Simple Grow has a product that we all need in our gardens and our homes and our house plants.
Are you worried about your plant growth? Provide your plants with what they need to grow to their potential. Simple Grow offers 100% organic worm castings at simplegrow.com. Unlike other worm casting products, when you order from Simple Grow, you're getting 100% worm castings, not filler plus castings.
Say that again. 100%. That the whole bag's worm castings. Ain't no other junk. No filler. It's all worm castings. What you buy is what you get.
Yeah, and you can promote ideal soil structure and aeration with Simple Grow all-natural, odor-free worm castings. There's only one ingredient worm castings. No chemicals or additives will seep into your food, and it doesn't smell like other fertilizers. For indoor and outdoor use, you can buy by the bag, bundle, ton, or truckload. You can check it out at simplegrow.com. Order today and find out more at simplegrow.com. Pomona's Universal Pectin is a high-quality pectin that gels reliably with low amounts of any sweetener. If you're trying to reduce the amount of sugar in your diet, you'll love Pomona's Universal Pectin. Now you can make healthy homemade jams and jellies sweetened to your taste. You can use sugar or honey to sweeten. Pomona's Universal Pectin keeps indefinitely when stored in an airtight container. Easy to use, versatile, and comes with directions and recipes in every box. Find out more and where to buy at PomonaPectin.com. Also available at natural food stores and online.
Brought to you by Blue Ribbon Organics, providing locally made organic compost and soil blends for gardens, farms, landscaping, and more. Visit BlueRibbonOrganics.com or call 262-497-8539 to find their products nearest you. We know that you appreciate the value of a beautifully landscaped yard, but tackling such a project yourself can seem way too complicated, right? Bloomin' Easy Plants are the answer. Their plants are low maintenance and offer exceptional beauty and color for your yard. Plus, they offer free seasonal care reminders with simple how-to videos tailored to the plants that you choose. With Bloomin' Easy on your side, creating the yard that you've always wanted becomes as easy as plant, water, and relax. Check them out at your local garden center or by visiting bloomineasyplants.com. Chip Drop is a website you can sign up for free wood chip mulch delivery right to your door for free. Chip Drop connects homeowners and gardeners with tree services who are trying to get rid of their wood chips. You can also sign up to get free logs and firewood. Go to chipdrop.com to learn more and sign up for a free account. Deer Defeat is an all-natural repellent to keep deer, rabbits, and groundhogs away from your precious plants. Deer Defeat protects your plants day and night, dries clear, and odorless. It will not clog your sprayer, Deer Defeat works for 30 days through rain, snow, and freeze. Safe, effective, and works on rabbits. Money back guarantee. To purchase, go to deerdefeat.com and use code RADIO to save 10% on your order. Deer Defeat, it can't be beat. Protect your outdoor furniture, fire pits, grills, and more with custom covers from coversandall.com. Springtime means you don't know what the weather is going to do. Rain, sun, snow, ice, maybe everything in 48 hours. Covers and All's durable custom covers protects against it all. They've got a bunch of fabrics to choose from, and each one can be customized to fit any style, size, or shape to keep your outdoor furniture looking brand new year-round. Visit them at coversandall.com and use code GARDEN25 at checkout to save 25% off your purchase.